What's up, y'all? Welcome. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, you know, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make. So today we're gonna be doing my Q&A. So I asked on my platforms, my social media. If you're not following me on any of my social medias, you know, you're missing out on like when I'm posting like these. Go check them out. They'll be right there, yeah, right here. So you know, go ahead and follow me and all of that. So yes, today's gonna be a little Q&A, a little life update, and I have some kind of like advice and so on in it as well because of some of the questions. So you know, go ahead, watch and enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and enjoy this video. Alright guys, so I have quite a few questions. If you hear some of these like repeated or anything like that, you know, persons ask their questions and you know, great minds think alike, so just bear with them. Alright, so the first question I have here is, do you have a boyfriend? Like, we're starting off strong here, but no, I do not. No, I don't have a boyfriend, and when the time is right, then I will have one. Yes. The next one, I'm just gonna say none of your business. I'm not even tell no a question be, but the person probably knows because I answered their question before. So, but I'll just say none of business. None of business. Who is your man? Don't have any based on the question before. Don't got one. I know I'm your, this is not a question, but she's trying to say a statement. So one of my students says, I know I'm your favorite student. I don't have a favorite student. I keep telling people this. I don't do favorites when I'm the favorite student. So sorry, sweetie. Alright, next one. Are you single? Yes, I am single. I feel like the video go like really fast because some of the questions are like yes and no questions. But yeah. Want me start come back at your class? This is one of my sons from last year. He graduated. Yes, definitely want him to come back from class them because I miss them. Yeah, miss them. Like, what if? Who's your favorite niece? Taylor put this up, so I know she wants me to say Taylor. I don't have a favorite niece. Taylor, go away. How do you like it having your niece attend this school you teach at? It's not bad. I get 4 work out when we're ready, so not too bad. it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Next question. Now teach me how to be a good YouTuber. So this is a YouTuber, Kush. I'll link his channel on the screen and down below. I can't teach you something that I'm not really good at. I try, but I'm not there yet. Cause like I want to be better. I want to be better, and there's a lot of things I need to be better at. I need to be better at vlogging and not caring about what people think. I need to do that because right now my vlogs are suffering because I'm afraid to vlog in public. I do not like people looking at me when I'm vlogging. It is weird. And even this camera, I don't carry this camera around. I use my phone to vlog on because carrying this in front of me means that it's gonna draw more attention. Is that I must say, oh, what should I do on camera, you know? So I try not to vlog in public, and because of that, my YouTube is suffering. And also with time, like that's a whole time. Right now it's Sunday evening at 8:43, and I had to say to myself that if I do not film this video today, I'm not gonna have any time to film it because I come home late pretty much every day, and when I get home I am very tired. No, I need to find time to sit down and film this video, and that is why I stick with vlogs, because I don't have the time. I know me a ramble, but I just try to tell you, say I am not a good YouTuber, kush, so I can't teach you what I don't know. Why did you start YouTube? Alright, so I started YouTube because I was watching all these YouTubers make videos, and I still enjoy watching YouTube. So I said to myself one day, I can make videos like these, and why can't I just start making videos? And I decided, okay, I want to try and start making videos. So I started, and I said, all right, I can use these as memories, so later on down the road I can look back. So even if I don't, you know, start making money from it, I can look back one of these days and say, that's what I did that day, you know where I went. It's like a diary. For me, it's like a diary. All right, next question. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? So 5 years from now, I think I would want to see myself having my own house or in my own space. I would like to see myself driving my own car. Yeah, 5 years from now, definitely. I would like to see myself earning money from this platform along with all my other socials. Would also want to see myself like in a stable relationship. I also want to get, I don't know, I think 5 years from now I want to either do my master's or get a degree in some other career or a skill certificate 5 years from now. So yes, that's what I want to do 5 years from now. It seems like a lot, to be honest, but 5 years, even though it's so long, it's not very long. So if I want this to come through, I would have to like start from now. So yeah, that's what I want to do 5 years from now. Have you ever thought about quitting YouTube? Yes, 1,000,001 times. Yes, I have. It has become difficult, and even more this year when I have found myself not having time for even myself, but I find time for myself. So especially in this hard time when I can't find time for myself, so I can't find time to film videos, and then when I do find time to film videos, the videos are not performing well, and I'm trying my endeavor best. It is very hard. So in those times it feels like I would want to quit YouTube. But I don't know. Yes, I have thoughts of quitting YouTube, but I'm gonna try my best to hold it out. Yeah. And who is your favorite influencer? So my favorite influencers, I think, still remains influencer. Can I choose a favorite one? I don't know. I have favorites. I don't have one favorite. I'd say my favorite right now is Rem Life. And then second to her, I would say is Adeline Morin, and then third would be Alicia Marie. So yeah, those are my 3 top favorites at the moment. What's the name of your favorite movie and why? Right now, the only movie we're popping on my head, which means it is my favorite, is Home Alone. Home Alone is hands down the best movie ever. I don't know, it is packed with a lot of comedy and action and just awesomeness, and it ties in comedy and Christmas, which I love. So yeah, it is my favorite because of that. Have you always wanted to be a YouTuber? No. I think I started wanting to be a YouTuber when I was in college, and I was more into watching YouTube then. So I think that's when I actually started wanting to become a YouTuber, but before that, no. All right, next question says, do you still exercise in the morning before work? No. I started when school just started, but the first 3 mornings or 2 mornings I started off so well, but the drive is just not there, and I want to get up and exercise, and I told myself I'm going to try a different strategy now, because what I've been doing is I get up at 4:30, and then I would get up and do my devotion, and then the next 50 minutes I would dedicate to exercising, but it's just not working because when I lie down and do my devotion, I don't want to get up for the next 15 minutes. I don't want to get up. So I think I'm gonna try a different strategy. When I do, I'm gonna let you guys know if it works. What do you do for your mental health? I try as best as possible to stay organized. So what I do is do a lot of to-do lists. I have about 2 to-do list boards right here, and I try to write down everything I have to do, and then when I do them, I take them off. That helps my mental health because it's telling me that I'm actually doing things and I'm not procrastinating. It's telling me that time is not passing me by and I'm actually getting things done. Like yesterday I was sitting there and I was like, I have a whole heap of things to do. I mean, if we get this done. And then when I sat down, I'm like, calm down, Shakay, you need to breathe. And when I actually went through in my head what I had to really do, there was literally 2 things. I had to put on grades on the system, and I had my hair to do. And the hair that important. You get me saying? But because I did not like write down what I had to do, in my head I had a lot of things to do. So that does not do well with your mental health. Another thing with my mental health that I've found myself doing is not trying. I don't think I've mastered it, but I've been trying to not worry so much. When things come up, I try to not to put it too much on my brain. Not to overcome that one yet, but I'm getting there. So yes, that is the next thing that I do, is try not to worry a lot. Like, go out, you need a break, or you can have a pamper day, whatever it is that will help you take away some of the stress. So a beach day, a little picnic, a little movie, watch a movie here, shower, take a long shower, have a self-care day, have a pamper day, go and get your nails done, something. Those things have been helping me with my mental health, because feeling good about yourself can actually help you so much. And I think that is one thing that I think I need to start doing more, is taking care of myself. And that exercise thing is one thing I need to do, because when I think about the fact that, oh, I'm not exercising, I'm getting unhealthy, it takes a toll on my mental health. So I need to actually start doing that. So those are some of the things you guys can try, take on to help with your mental health. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? And I did say that one already. So yeah, why are you so shy? I don't know. I really don't know. Why did you decide to start YouTube? And I did answer that one already. And that brings me to the end of this video. So as I said, it wasn't a lot of questions. It was just a few. I tried to get a lot, but that's fine. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I answered your questions well enough, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.